Welcome today in front of me new iPad Air 2022, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So just to activate the screen recorder, you should open the control center, and here you should find the screen recording icon. But if you have not here any screen recorder icon, like in my case, you should go into the settings application and then click here to the control center and to add the screen recording feature by click once on this plus, and you can see here that we got the screen recording feature now in our control center. Now we'll check that, and as can you see here, we got the screen recording icon. Just to start screen recording, you should hold for a while this icon and click here to start screen recording. But to change here the sound settings, in our case we can only use the microphone or not. Now just you can see that microphone is turned off, but if you want to comment something in your screen recording, you should click here on the microphone icon, and when this icon will in red color, that means that the microphone is turned on. And just to turn it off, you should click here once again on this microphone icon and then click just to start recording. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.